Hey, so I'm going to do a quick video over percent of increase and decrease. So the formula for pretty much all these problems is the amount that something is changing divided by the original amount. So Tanya's Swim Club increased their $29 membership by a fee of $6. Okay, so they're changing $6. And so like I said, it's the amount of changing divided by the amount of the original price. So it was $29, they're going to change it 6. So 6 divided by 29 is that, and then remember, if you multiply by 100, that'll give us the percent. So about 20.6%. So that first option there. What is the approximate percent change in the temperature that went down 120 degrees to 100 degrees? So remember the change, so 120 minus 100, that means it's changing 20 degrees, and we divide that by the original amount. So the original amount was 120, so 20 divided by 120 gives us, again, multiplied by 100, about 16.66, so they rounded up to 17%. The attendance in seminar of year 1 was 500. In year 2, the attendance changed by 100. So this time we don't even have to divide. It tells us what the change is. The change was 100. So 100 divided by the original amount, it was 500. Then we multiply that by 100, and we figure out it was 20%. Here, what is the percent decrease from the bank, or balance in the bank that goes from $300 to $60? So we got to find out what the difference is there. So 300 minus 60 is $240. So that's the change. So 240 divided by the original amount, which is $300, which is 0.8, and then multiply by 100 to tell us that that is an 80% decrease. Number 9, Marge and Jorge are both trying to lose weight. After 3 months, they compared their weight loss. Marie went from 175 to 150. George went from 190 to 180. Which statements are true regarding both of theirs? And it says select 3 options. So you got the first 2 right. So Marie's weight changed by 1.4%. That was not correct. It was 14%. So let's figure out. So she went from 175 to 150. So that's a change of 25. We divide that by 175, and we get 0.14, but remember to multiply it by 100. Maybe you just multiply it by 10, since you got 1.4 instead of 14. But there it is, 14%. All right, hope that helps.